How do you build a Starship? Not in years, not painstakingly, but with a new kind of speed. Across South Texas, a colossal 1 million square foot complex, a $15 billion investment, witnesses a revolution. This is Starbase. American hands are at work, forging a new paradigm in stainless steel. This is manufacturing reborn. Forget sequestered clean rooms. Starbase adopts an automotive-inspired linear flow. The goal, 1 rocket per solar cycle. It begins with 4 mm thick stainless steel, unspooled and cut. These sheets are welded into immense 9-meter diameter rings. Then, they are meticulously stacked. Robot arms, with almost orchestral precision, fuse these segments. The welds are flawless. They must withstand extreme cryogenic pressures. For elegant curves, nose cones, fuel tank domes, hydroforming is the art. Liquid pressure, exceeding 36,000 psi, forces metal into intricate molds. Robotic welding seals these forms. The colossal Starship itself is conceived in 3 simultaneous streams: the nose payload bay, the fuel tanks, and the engine section. The heat shield installation, a constellation of thousands of brittle ceramic tiles, is a bottleneck. These tiles must absorb atmospheric re-entry's fiery embrace. Spacing is meticulous. Within the middle section, propellant tanks are unified by domes. Long seams are rendered immutable by automated robotic welding. Irregular joints, they yield to manual TIG FC or friction stir welding is explored. The aim, diminish distortion, reduce weight. The grand finale involves coalescing these titans. This occurs within the Gigabay. It's a cavernous 116-meter edifice. Its 46 million cubic feet of volume can house up to 24 Starship spacecraft and super heavy boosters. Here, 12 complete systems undergo plumbing, wiring, detailing. Finally, engine installation precedes rigorous stress and hot fire tests. Floor engineers are empowered. They make real-time pronouncements. Problems are resolved within days. This is a celestial contrast to traditional contractors' glacial pace. The existential challenge, balancing this relentless iteration, this round-the-clock fervor, with OSHA's watchful eye. South Texas, once a landscape of scarce employment, now thrives. It's a specialized manufacturing labor nexus. A phoenix risen. Yet, the cosmic question lingers: is this a universal blueprint for domestic rebirth? Or a singular anomaly etched against the void?